Naglalaro ka ba ng chess? Tara, practice tayo. You only need your kings, one white queen, one black pawn, and for the black side, prepare your queen, rook, knight, and bishop. Let's save it for later. Set this up. White king to g8, black king to f1, black pawn naman sa g2, and white queen naman sa d6. I call this position the umbrella. Have you ever experienced the same position as this? Material advantage, yes. But however, this pawn will soon be promoted into a queen. And we don't want to get a draw. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this position winning for white. Lapit ka. Lapit ka. Huwag kang mahiya. Turuan kita. Let's start this. First of all, kailangan nating gawan ng posisyon ang black king to make the umbrella. And to do that is to make the closest way to check the black king. And we have here queen to f4. Now, black will try to go for and give a pawn away to promote. But you're going to make another check close to the black king. King will go to f1 to defend the pawn at the same time protecting himself. But you will make another check to f3. This time, the black has no other choice and move his king to g1. His position is what we call the umbrella. This pawn cannot be promoted. In that case, you gain the tempo. Now you have a time to move your king closer. The black will move to h2, but we're going to create another umbrella. In this way, the pawn cannot be promoted. So he will find another square to go away. And we will keep chasing the king until we get the umbrella position. Queen to h4, king to g1, the umbrella position. We gain the tempo, we move our king closer. King to f1 is going out from his umbrella, so we're going to make a check. King to e1, the same pattern, queen e3, king to f1, queen to f3. Again, he's moving closer to the pawn, making the umbrella. You gain the tempo, move the king closer to g5. He will now go to h2. The next move is very interesting for the white. What would be the best move here that will make the position even faster to win? The move is king to h4. How about if the pawn promote into a queen? Think of the next best move for the white. And that move is queen to h3. Checkmate. Now let's see if the pawn will not be promoted to a queen, but he chose the other piece instead. Let's say promote into a knight. Well, it takes a little bit of time, but it will still be a checkmate soon. Move your queen to f2, check. The only square for the king to run is h1. King will now move closer to g3. It's not stalemate yet because he has a knight to move away. He can move to e2 and making a check. White will just simply capture. Black is forced to go to g1. And the next step, queen to g2. Checkmate. Madali lang, di ba? This is very helpful for you if you have queen versus a promoting pawn endgame. You can practice this and understand the strategy so that you can save your time.